I went to B&H. As you guys saw the bag here. Woo! Now, we're going to do a little unboxing. It is, guys. The Mini Dude. So, with this one, you get the packaging, the 3 batteries, the extra propellers. I just got the whole package, might as well. You see the packaging of the Mavic, what you get on the Mavic original Mini. You get the cage, the remote, the battery bank with the 3 batteries. And that was it, you know what I'm saying? And here you get basically almost the same. You get the drone, the OCCUSYNC 2.0, which is a much better controller. Extra propellers, which you also got extra propellers on the other one. 3 batteries in the bank with a different type of bag. So basically, you know, the combo is all the same. This combo is $499. This combo is $599. So it's $100 more for this combo. Even though the drone itself is only $50 more if you buy it without the combo. For some reason, they add another $50 to the combo. So, you know, when you open the Mini here, you can see the way it looked, the packaging. And then you look at the new one here, you see the way the packaging is, like so. So, let's take out these drones and do a comparison. So, as you can see, they're very similar. Put a little sticker on this one. That's the original Mini. And, you know, to the eye, very similar. The remote, totally different. Wi-Fi based remote. This has the OCCUSYNC 2.0. There's the same remote that they use, I think, for the Mavic Air 2, which is one of the newer drones, which is, you know, a higher grade type of drone. So, wow, OCCUSYNC 2 is going to make a big difference. Okay, so we got them here and opened up, and we grabbed the Mavic 2, Mini 2, and right away you see that we have a 4K camera. Of course, the front side of the original Mavic, simple. So in the front here, you see these 2 little grills in the front, and that's like a sticker. That's a sticker. Over here, that's real. That's a real grill right there. See that? That's a real grill. So it's not a sticker. So right off the back, you know. Now, another thing I noticed is that over here in the legs, see the back part of it? It's a foam. It's a light foam. You know what I'm saying? On the original Mini. Yet over here, it's all plastic. It's much sturdier. It's no foam. It's plastic here. Plastic in the front. It's all plastic all over. Another difference that I see this in the front here. See, there's nothing in the front here. We have a little LED grill. You see that little line there? LED, supposedly you can change it to different colors. Another thing that I noticed differently is these. These propellers feel flimsy and look, they give a lot. They give a lot. Oh my God, they give a lot. Yet these feel much sturdier. They feel like, you know, harsh. You know, and they did improve the stability by, you know, making it a level 5 drone, meaning that it could withstand higher winds. So supposedly they improved the motor. Something you can't see off the eye, but supposedly the motor is stronger. Propellers are definitely sturdier, so it's a given. You do feel a difference on the propellers. They do feel like, you know, more rigid. Let's see what else we see in difference here. Go to the back side. Looks about the same, except that this is USB, micro USB, and right here, this is USB-C. So everything is changing to USB-C. Just, you know, the faster, better connection right now. Of course, everything else looks pretty similar, but I think those are the improvements on the drone itself. Plastic, you know, legs all over, better motor, and sturdier, rigid propellers, and of course the LED light with the 4K camera. So those are the improvements. Great improvements, because the things that I had against the Mavic, the original Mavic, was like, you blew on it, it was gone. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It did not feel sturdy in the air. It just moves too much. It's not powerful enough. Let's see with this update if they fix that. Definitely, right here, compare this to this, night and day. OCCUSYNC 2, this is given to the bigger drones. Never has a small drone sub $500 that got an OCCUSYNC like the pro levels. I mean, this is my Mavic 2 Pro. This OCCUSYNC 2, I think that's even a better OCCUSYNC connection. And this is a $1,500 drone. This drone that start off at $450, $600 you get the combo, has OCCUSYNC 2. That's a major go. That's amazing. I mean, you putting it up with the bigger drones. Now the other cheaper drone that has the same thing is the Mavic Air 2. So that's a go. You're gonna see some serious improvements. I mean, it feels good in the hand. I haven't tested it out. We're gonna take it out, and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. It feels good. I thought it was gonna look bulky and, you know, feel bad in the hands. It actually feels good in the hands, and I love the fact that you could pull out the little joysticks from the bottom. Also, I like the fact that you just pull this thing up. So you pull this up, boom, done, and the cable is right there. So you connect it, it's right there. You can use the USB one, the iPhone one, whatever. It brings all of them anyway. It brings the micro USB, USB-C, and the Lightning. So connected your phone there, and it's super easy to use. So I like the feel of this drone. And it's also, like I said, OCCUSYNC 2.0. So that's it, you know what I'm saying, as far as the differences that I noticed on these two drones. Next is just, let's see how this drone feels in the air and how that camera looks. So let's take it out. All right, guys, so as soon as I turn on, needs an activation. So as part of the activation, it's gonna have a day one firmware update to version 1.01. It says it's added enhanced photo, added trim download, added zoom or video mode, and added the ability to customize the lighting pattern for the front LED. Also, the front LED could probably go for different colors. That's pretty cool. Just this right here, the front LED. See, that's a nice white color right now. We're gonna see. We could, like, you know, change the colors. That's pretty cool. So right now I'm about 44% done, and let's wait it out. So that's the first thing you guys are gonna experience, a firmware update. So here we are, guys. I got the Mavic Mini ready. About 3:30. It's gonna get dark about an hour, so we got almost golden hour. Mavic Mini with the orange tips. Looking over here, brother's over there. He's like, you know, he's flying the original Mini with the iPad. So we're gonna have both Minis up. So here we go. So right away, we put it in. Right now it's in photo, but I'm gonna change it from photo to video. So video camera, and we're gonna record 4K at 30 frames per second, and I'm gonna keep it auto. So let's keep him auto. So how nice he looks. The Mavic Mini 2. I love the full weather. And let's just bring in the zoom very smoothly. Ooh, nice. Ooh, beautiful. Look at that. You can bring it real nice and make it very cinematic. Look at that. All the way up to 2. Beautiful. Oh my God. That's a go, guys. I love that. All right, guys, we're back. Wow. That's all I got to say. Wow. I put it through its paces. For a second there, using this remote controller, which feels great in the hand. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna like it. I didn't like the look. Oh, so much better. And OCCUSYNC 2.0, the refinements, they graduated this drone. Refinements compared to the Mavic Mini. That made me feel like a little toy. Sometimes it just swung around. It wasn't that, you know, that tight. For a second there, I thought I was flying my $1,500 drone. on the precision that this drone has. Of course, it doesn't have the same camera, but as far as, you know, the way it moves, as precise as it is right now, is comparable to a $1,500 drone. Amazing. That OCCUSYNC 2, it's amazing. It was a little windy too. No problems with the wind. It seems sturdier. Like I said before, level 5, I think they did it. They made the motor stronger, and it feels much sturdier in the air. Gimbal, much smoother. 4K camera, much better. That zoom effect, 1x zoom on 4K, 2x zoom on 4K, I think 4x zoom on 1080p. It's a go. I mean, they graduated the Mavic Mini to a Mavic Mini 2. This drone, you put some sensors in the front, I mean, it's, you know what I'm saying, it's over. But to have this type of drone with all that technology for $450 entry level, I mean, you blew out the competition. First, there's nobody out there with the OCCUSYNC 2 type of connection, which is the best, to me, connection out there in the, you know, in the drone world. I mean, this connection sometimes is better than a lot of these connections on these commercial drones, like $3,000-$4,000. You know what I'm saying? That's how strong OCCUSYNC 2.0 could be. It could go up to 6 miles. You know, so that's, to put this in a $450 drone entry level. That's right there. That's a go. DJI, you got it. You got my money. I'm keeping it. There's no way I'm gonna get rid of this. I mean, really, I have no excuse to take, you know, my big drone, unless it's a night shots and I need to do some of these, you know, follow me features. I could take them out with me, but for regular daylight flying, I really have no reason to take my big drone. This little guy, I could stick him in my pocket and I could go anywhere with him. I mean, oh my God. Like I said before, wow. You did it, DJI. Anyway, guys, till next time, it's your boy Jeff. See ya.